Yes, assumed mean x is equal to a plus summation of fi into di divided by summation of fi. What do you mean by di here? Xi minus that particular observation. E. So you have after this step deviation method as well, but that is not in your syllabus. So yes. So we will just discuss the formula for that as well. So step deviation third method is called step deviation method. Very simple, very simple. If you know the formulas, that's it. You can make it out easily. Need not to worry much. So formula होता है x bar is equal to a plus summation of fi into ui divided by summation of all frequencies into h into h. What is ui here? Where ui is nothing but what is ui here? Di by h. What is a high? What is h here? What is h here? Anyone of you please tell me what do you mean h here?
Sir, height.
Height of the class. Look at this here. Next we'll talk about this is not given in your syllabus, children. So, but still no problem. Let's have a discuss on the formula. Next we'll talk about median. Very simple. What do you mean by median here?
So the middle value.
Yes, middle value. Measuring of central tendency. Basically, measuring of central tendency, which gives the value of the middlemost observation. Okay. So look at this. Median for ungrouped data and median for grouped data. Median for ungrouped data is what? Median for ungrouped data. Ungrouped data. If n is an odd, then median is going to be what? Median is going to be n plus 1 by 2 whole to the power of the observation. Median is going to be what? If n is odd, that is what the median is going to be. If n is uneven, the median is going to be n by 2, n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. This is what the ungrouped data median. This is what median for ungrouped data. Now, median for grouped data. This is a somewhat different formula. This is not given in your syllabus. This is what given in your syllabus. But still, you have to go for each and everything. Grouped data. Median for grouped data. Very important formula. So median is L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency. What do you mean by cumulative frequency? Divided by f into h. Let me write here one by one. What is L here? Where L is equal to a lower limit of the median class N is equal to number of observations. F is equal to frequency of median class. Frequency of median class. What is CF here? CF is nothing but cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency of preceding class. H is equal to what? Class size. All right. So what is L here? Lower limit of the median class. Lower limit of the median class. Number of observation is nothing but N. F is what? Frequency of the median class. CF is what? Cumulative frequency of the preceding class. Preceding class is nothing but what? The before class. All right. Preceding means before, succeeding means after. H is equal to class size. All right. And we have mode formula as well. This is a median for grouped and ungrouped data. Now we'll talk about mode. Tomorrow I'm going to ask the formulas for everyone. Tomorrow I'm going to ask the formulas to each and every one of you. Please be prepared. For mode. For mode of ungrouped data is what? Anyone of you? Anyone of you? Mode इसका मतलब क्या होता है? The value which has more frequency, having the maximum frequency. The value of the observation having maximum frequency. Maximum frequency is the mode. Okay. And for grouped data, mode is going to be L plus, very important formula, F1 minus F0 divided by 2 times of F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now we'll talk about one by one. What is L here? Similarly, where L is equal to lower limit of the model class. Lower limit of the model class, and F1 is equal to what here? Frequency of the model class. Frequency of the model class. What do you mean by F0? So frequency of the preceding model class. Preceding model class. F2 is equal to what? Frequency of the succeeding model class. Very simple. Frequency of the succeeding middle model class. And what do you mean by H here? This is size of the class interval. Size of the class interval. Okay. So similarly, CF is nothing but what? Cumulative frequency again. Cumulative frequency of the preceding class. H is equal to Size of the class. Just now we learned. We have, yes. So this is what the formula. Mode formula क्या होता है? L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 times of F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. F1 is nothing but frequency of the model class. F0 is nothing but frequency of the preceding model class. F2 is nothing but frequency of the succeeding model class. H is nothing but class size of the interval, and CF is nothing but cumulative frequency of the preceding class. So this is what the statistics introduction and notes. Any doubts so far? But in next class, children, in next class, what we do is we straight away get into the questions. Any doubts so far? Tell me, make it fast. I think all this stuff you have learned in your class 9th. Class 9th also you have learned, but mode, this and all you didn't learn, isn't it? Am I right? Am I right or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, children. So yes, shut up. I think you are late. Shut up.
Yes, sir. I was outside for a second.
Okay. Okay, then let's retire now. We'll meet in the next session. Goodbye. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
And please do ask with your, if you have any doubts, please do ask. We'll have an extra classes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Goodbye.